Oh, Ego. To be a poor man is worse than death. It is to be a poor man is worse than death. It is bad. Something
I don't know keeps bothering me. Let the wind.
I'll go with you.
Maillo, Malaysian money.
Malaysian money. Malaysian ringgit.
Hey,
Malaysian ringgit. We use ringgit there. Ringgit.
Our people say that whether good or bad, they must eat cola.
Exactly. You're right. So you're right.
Cola have come. Hey, what you about is she? Is she? Hey.
You drive Ravi German.
Oh, I see how
my love. Yes, cola.
But no, you know I don't usually do this, but because of the love I have for your daughter, I will do it. For the sake of your daughter, because I love her.
Yes. Love and Love and I was about going to the palace.
Yes.
But our people also say that what prevents one from work is also work.
Oh, yeah. That is my love. They are a man of wisdom.
Yes, sir.
That's why I like it.
Thank you.
I greet you. Mama. I greet you.
Nine. I greet you.
I greet you too.
Please, I can't stand this. I can't do this anymore. I cannot stand this. Kiru, come back. Nine.
Now you see what you have caused, huh? No, Mama, wait! Have you seen what you have caused now?
Not in my house.
Mama, calm down, let me explain myself, huh? You fool, have you seen what you have caused? If anything happens to Kiru on our way, I will deal with you. I will use my ringgit and bring you down in this village. Don't come close to me, or else I blow you.
You will do nothing.
With my money, you blow.
I said you will do nothing. Kiru belongs to my son.
Hey, will you shut your dirty mouth? I'm not bad. Okay, wait, try me. Try me. Try me. Hey, want to say my word? No. Want to say that? Okay. You're not supposed to tell my wife. no. You cannot move again.
Okay, no. Okay. What is it?
I'm confused right now. Those two boys, they are at our house now. I don't even know which one to choose. I'm sure they are going to fight there.
Is that why you run out?
That's why I was running to come and meet you at your house. All I need now is an advice. I need you to tell me what to do. I don't even know what to do.
Come on, let's go and meet him and without procedure.
I mean, I came for you to advise me. You're telling me let's... Baby. No, I just wish you're ready for marriage now. You know I love you so much.
And you said I'm not ready.
Both of us know you're not financially ready. You know that. You know I'm marrying this guy so that I'll be able to raise money to finance you.
Yeah.
I just wish you're not going to abandon me after I'm married. You know you're the only one that can satisfy me.
No. As far you keep coming to me, and I will keep making you happy.
Why won't I come to you? Sure, I'll come to you, babe.
You know I'm the only one can...
I know! I
Ikiru! Ikiru, where are you? What is the problem? Huh? Ikiru! Listen to me, Obinna. Listen and listen attentively. Go back. Go back. Do not follow me where I'm going to. Go back. Ikiru! Hey, what is your problem? Obinna, are you mad? Hey, if you're tired, go back home. I should go back. I am not going back until I see my woman. Yeah, follow me now. I will not go back until I see my woman. Go back, carry your Jonathan, go back. If you follow me again, I will beat you part 2. Hey! Go back, Ngiru! Ngiru, go back, where are you? Hey! Fight, Abi? You want fight, Abi? Eh? If I kill you now, what do they say? They will say Slim have committed murder. No problem.
As long as you keep coming to me and keep making you happy.
Sure, I'll keep coming to you, baby.
You don't really want to satisfy you.
I know!
Ikiru! Oh my chuku! Ikiru! So this is what you do? Huh? This is what you do! I am disappointed. Hey! Oh my chuku! Ikiru, you are a disappointment. In fact, you are a disgrace to womanhood. This is the height of it. Ikiru, is this what you do? Oh my chuku! Ikiru, you are a disgrace to womanhood. Ginwa, you don't get house. You don't for bush. Oh my chuku!
You know what you think?
Oh my chuku! Hey!
Oh! What's that? Look what you've caused now. I told you let's be careful. What will I do now? Obinna!
Father, I don't know what's happening.
What is it?
The pot. It's no longer where it's kept. Don't fool me. You can't be serious. Father, I am serious. Why don't you come with me? Come and take a look.
That's impossible.
No.
Wait.
No, I don't believe this.
Your Highness,
Let's go and find out whether what he's saying is true or not. Yes, now let's go and find out for ourselves.
Cassie, please, what do you want to do? Cassie, please.
This village, I go show them, say, I know what to do, they will go prepare their body. They go hear them, Mama. They go hear them about this village.
Cassie, don't do this. How did you come across this, Cassie?
Ichie Ukebu Pikin, Ekene, and Mazuluka Pikin, that thief, and then one said the pot.
Yeah. Could they be the thieves that have been trying to steal this pot?
Bam.
I thought Igwe now keeps it in his palace.
Now them, now if you never come from palace, may I go tip her. As it been now so, Igwe no say this pot there with me. So the pot, I go break am. And if I break am, Igwe go suffer.
No.
The suffer where Igwe go suffer, he get hunchback.
Aye! Cassie, because Cassie and Biko.
Give me,
all of us will suffer it too. All of us are going to suffer it. Please, don't
give me the pot,
Mama. Cassie,
don't allow me talk too much.
Cassie, Mama.
Before I go bring this pot come outside, Igwe must beg me. He go beg me or else I go break am.
Biko, no, Mama. All of us will suffer it. All of us are going to die, yo. And do not let anyone know that this pot is in your possession. We are going to return it back to the palace before they start looking for it.
You tie my hand, close my eye. I tell you I won't break pot. See your car and go give him. This pot before I bring and come outside, Igwe go beg me. He go beg me where? We'll give you. I go. If you beg me, I go break him. I don't go bring and come outside. Please. Igwe must beg me before I bring this pot come outside.
Hey!
I don't go bring and come outside.
Mama, let's go. Mama, let us go. Mama, let us go home. Let's go home.
What is it?
Mama, let us leave this place this minute. Go.
Will you shut up? What is wrong with you?
Where's Inky?
Can you listen to me, Mama? Can you listen to me?
Just give up so easily.
Mama, let us go. Let us go. Papa, Mama, for your information, I am no longer interested to marry Nkiru. Why? You, Obinna, you can marry her.
Very good.
You can marry her. Hey, listen, I am no longer interested. You can go ahead and marry her. I am no longer interested.
Whoa.
Marry her. Take her for yourself. Mama, let's go.
Let's go.
Mama, let us go. I will talk to you.
You should calm down. Let me go and look for her.
Enter this car. See, you can't walk anymore. Enter this car. Enter. Let us leave this place.
My in-law.
In-law, kid.
Obinna!
Nonsense!
Obinna!
Don't Malaysia me! Don't Malaysia me!
Malaysia money.
No, don't try it. Allow that one to go.
Obinna, wait!
Malaysia money.
Obinna!
Oh, leave that one. Let him go. He doesn't have money. Let us. My in-law.
Wait. Don't Malaysia me. Eh?
Hey, Nuwogo.
Talk to him.
Nuwogo, Chelunu, calm down. Eh?
Wait.
Up one no.
Wait.
No.
Wait.
Hey!
Nkiru.
My money is going. My money is going. Hey! They can't go like that. Hey, all the money this boy promised me. The money can't go like that now. Hey! I said it.
I mean, how can I explain this? Could it be I'm dreaming or what? Am I still dreaming? This is very shocking.
It is.
Father, maybe you should consult the native people.
Could it be that the pot disappeared?
Also, you may be right there. Absolutely right.
How else can one explain the situation? Because the key is right here in my hand. This is it.
I'm finished. I'm finished. Who is after me? Who did this to me? Igwe. Igwe, what is going out there? Some tourists are out there to have a look at the port.
The pot is nowhere to be found.
Wait. Igwe, did I hear you well?
Yes. I've even sent for Okebu and Ndoka. My guards have gone to call them. I mean, hi.
Oh my goodness. We are doomed. Igwe, we must not allow anyone to hear about this. And what do we do about the tourists that are out there? What do we do?
I'll suggest we keep them there for a while. Then later we'll let them go. But nobody should hear that the pot is missing.
Exactly. Exactly. We must not allow anyone to hear that the pot is missing. You know it is a taboo.
It's a good idea. A bright idea.
My name is Ichie Ukebu. I am the Onowu of the kingdom. The traditional prime minister, next only to the Igwe. I'm sorry for the delay, the inconveniences. It's as a result of a situation which just emerged. And we have been thinking of how we can maneuver the situation so that we can expose the port of life for you all to see. But I regret to say that incidentally we could not maneuver the situation. For now, the port of life will not be accessible to anyone.
Oh yes.
Why, sir? Please, actually I'm writing a project on ancient artifacts. I need to write on this port of life, which has been in existence for 210 years, which is the oldest port in the world.
Exactly. Well, you see, this is the decision of the custodians of the land. Our festival is coming up in 2 weeks. By that decree, the port of life will not be accessible to anyone whatsoever.
Yes.
So please, just give us 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you can all come and see the port of life.
Exactly.
Please, I'm sorry, sir. Please, I'm a journalist. Can you permit someone to help me take pictures? I'm building a story. I need pictures for my story, please. I have a camera here.
And we are students from the Apprentice Academy, and we are here on sightseeing.
I am sorry to add this to it. We have a situation, and no one is permitted to have a look at the port of life until after 2 weeks. As you can see, it is all about the gods of the land, and we can't help it, please.
So we're actually very sorry, very sorry for the inconveniences and the cost and everything. But just give us 2 weeks, and then of course you can come back and see the port of life. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
What kind of a woman are you? Nkiru, kedu di mmadụ ebu abụọ? Nkiru, look at the shame you brought on us. Nkiru, how many times have I warned you to be careful with that Osita?
No, I'm sorry.
Hey!
I'm sorry, I didn't know they were coming after me when I left.
Even if they were not coming, Nkiru, How can a woman whose suitors are here go to be with another man? Hey! Now they have gone. Hassan and father are nothing. And your father has left to the palace out of anger and has sworn never to listen to you again. If you go to him, what did you gain? The same old sitter through which your father had issues with Adim and other people. Organic if we ever stand on Nkiru. Nkiru, a sitter that doesn't have 10 kobo. Can he buy you sapers? Come on, sapers. Also, to go to one book you know, Nkiru. Nkiru, I feel like strangling you, Nkiru. Eh? Nkiru, look at the way you snatch breast out of our mouth. I'm sorry, Mama. Besides, Mama, is it not your papa that started this whole thing? Is it not the both of you? Eh? You people watch me go through the wrong path and they stop me. Now you people want to blame me for everything just because I bring money back to the house. You couldn't direct me on the right path. Yes, Mama. Is that what you're saying? Now it has backfired and you want to blame me. You don't know what to marry me. Let me just go. Let me just go. Leave me alone. You must remain in this house. I trust your father. You will suffer. Mama Kiru. Okay. Mama Kiru. What is it? Follow me right now. Come with me. It's about Ekene, your son. Let's go. What happened to Ekene? Ekene is dead. You have to follow me now. You have to follow me. Are you still there? It's about Ekene. Ekene Nkone is dead. Let's go now. Ekene is dead. Huh? Kiru!
Who could have done this to me? Eh? Who?
Where is Ekene? Because he's the only one that is very close to you. Where is he?
Your Majesty, calm down. Calm down. Are you insinuating that my son stole the pot?
Oh no, I am not insinuating anything. All I'm saying is that he is the guard directly attached to my son.
Oh. If this pot is not found, I would definitely kill myself. What have I not done to see to the safety of the pot? How could it disappear now that I've secured it in a safer place?
Father, whosoever is responsible for this act must definitely be amongst us.
You are right. You're right.
Yes. Because I still have the key. Look at it. Or, since the pot belongs to the gods, could it have disappeared?
That's what I mean. Exactly. Yes. That exactly is my point.
It's possible.
Yeah. Yes.
Greetings, my queen. Greetings, my elders. I came to call Ichie Ukebu. It's about his son, Ekene.
Yes, what about my son, Ekene?
He's dead.
What?
I found him in my father's farm. Your wife and your daughter, they are there.
They have killed me. Who killed my son? Igwe, who killed my son? Who? Igwe!
What is the meaning of all this? What could be happening?
Honestly, Mama, I don't know how I will start apologizing to my brother here.
Obinna, I'm very sorry. I am sorry for my nonchalant attitude. I am sorry.
I mean, who could ever believe that we almost killed ourselves because of a low-life girl? A girl that have no level. A rotten girl.
Very rotten. It's okay, Slim. It's okay. I should be the person to apologize here. It wasn't our fault. I mean, we were fighting over a girl that doesn't worth our love. After all the money I spent on her. Just look at it.
It's okay. It's okay. It's enough. Oh. This is a lesson. And it's also an eye-opener. Yes. Obinna.
Mama.
Chooks.
Mama.
Let me advise you people. Next time, shine your eyes and look at them very well before you begin to ask their hand in marriage. And I know if we are one family. So it's over, it's enough, it's okay.
Thank you, Mama.
Imagine the way we disgraced ourselves over there the other day. Fighting over nothing. That girl is just good outside. She just appears beautiful and good, but she's empty inside. Right?
Very empty. Less fast.
But I am happy it happened this way. At least you both learned your lessons. Wanebe, Pico, Bahara. Kai wouldn't hear Tana Ban. One. Oh, Pico.
I have forgiven. Look at the way we're fighting that day. You gave me one, and I gave you another one.
Brother Slim, I am very happy.
I roast you.
No, man.
Brother Slim, I'm very happy you reconciled with your brother. Because I was really getting bothered. See who is talking.
At least now you're back, Akoya. Nothing. Listen. We'll go and take champagne.
Yeah, of course.
Forget about that girl.
Of course.
My only brother, my only brother, no. What's happening? Mama, who did this to me? Somebody help! Who did this to me? I can help. Oh no, come.
Hey! Oh no, come, let's take him home. Carry him.
Let's take him
We
home.
can't carry him. Let me go and get help.
Hey!
Hey!
Come. Help me. Whoever did this will not go unpunished, Mama. Please. Hey!
They killed my pride. They killed the only thing I have left. They have killed my son.
Please take it easy. Take it easy. Be strong. You know, as you know who of this town will look up to you. Just be strong. Do you know that I got information this morning that our king is sick? Yes.
Ichedoka, something is wrong somewhere. I think this is the handwork of Cassia and Prince Ozo's interaction.
Wow.
He wouldn't listen.
Hi. So you know. You are right. So it's obvious. No. It's obvious to everyone that they killed my son. Tell them to leave this town, to pack their things and get out of this town. If they don't, I will kill all of them one by one. And if killing them is the only thing that I will do in this town, I will do it because they killed my son.
It's okay. No, also, I think we have to go and see the king. Let him see where the problem is coming from. His son, Prince Ozo, has caused this land a lot of calamities.
That girl must leave. She must leave. Not only her, the whole family. Bam. They have to leave. Bam. Oh no. Oh no, take it easy. It's okay. We will make sure they leave.
She's never giving loyalty is calling. Loyalty is calling. Can't you see it's rain? Can't you see it's rain? We don't want any joy, community video. We don't want any joy, community video.
I do not think there's anything wrong with him, but I need to run his BP.
Doctor, are you sure?
Yes. I think he's having a high blood pressure. But if I may ask, did anything happen recently that could have triggered his high blood pressure?
No, not really. But I noticed he was a bit restless or through yesterday.
Doctor, we used to have that BP monitor. But it's no longer good. Should I still bring it that way so that we can check his BP?
No. I have one in my car. I'll just go down and get it. But before then, I will give him some drugs. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Greetings, my elders.
Greetings, my elders.
My priest. So, how is the condition of our king now?
It's okay. The doctor just attended to him.
Can he come and see us? We are here because we have something important to discuss with him.
No, he can't come out now. He can't come out at the moment. The doctor said he needs some rest.
Kasi is here. You see? You see? Look, my priest, you better discharge her. Go and discharge her. Lolo, this is why we are here. All these things happening in this community, that witch is responsible. That witch is the person responsible.
Osemene, thank the gods you are here to listen and hear things for yourself. You've heard them. Don't know why you will never listen.
Mother, I'm out.
Lolo, that girl is a witch. She's the one who's witch. That girl is a witch. She's the one who's witch. That equals.
Yeah, Cassie. Good morning.
I hope you slept well.
Oh, yes, I did. How are you?
I'm fine.
Cassie, we have to talk.
Yes, exactly. That's why I've come. We need to talk.
Just listen to me. I don't know how to put it. I truly appreciate everything that we've shared together. You understand? But right now, my father is not feeling fine. And I can't compromise his health for anything.
Also?
Yes. You heard me right.
Nami did discharge like that.
Sorry, please. If there's anything you need, you have my number. Just call me. I will ask the guards to get it for you. But please, you have to go now.
No problem.
Please.
I heard you.
Take. No, Okpa, please.
It's not. I.
Please, no. See, when you just go. Don't you get it?
Just collect.
Cassie, go.
Go now. Leave here.
to say I did this or that. I have to break all barriers to see and do and hear. So do not say you are not away. Stay away from my son.
You are not hearing you. Because this your matter now. I carry breast for you. Not one breast. I carry this my 2 breasts up for this your matter. I don't know what me and my family don't do you. That's why my father problem with Mazu cable. Mazu cable won't break a leg, like in a chicken. You side Mazu cable. My father don't die now. That will not concern you. You know it's when you get your talk. Now you say, make we not near anybody for this village. Make nobody do anything with us. Now again you say, make I not near your son. I don't hear. I can get me tell your son too. Make you not carry bulletproof jacket come our house. Make you not come anywhere near our house. I beg you.
Do you realize you're talking to your king?
Not my king again.
What did I get?
Now I'm resting and take your time. Now you just say the outcast now. You say checkers. You would like to be king of outcast.
What is happening here?
What's in that book where you say your father doesn't free now? Make I not near you, make you say you don't near me. So I use God to take and beg you, don't come to our house again. Because if you come to our house, I will feel fight down. And I will feel wound down.
Cassie. Father, I ask a question. What is going on?
Consider, this will be the last time you ever get near that girl. It is obvious she lacks manners.
She does not have it at all. No at all.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Cassie. Kill him.
Cassie, please. Cassie, hold on. Please, I am begging you from the depths of my heart.
This good me, beg. Should we hear what's your pattern? I beg, just free me, I beg.
No, don't take that to heart, okay?
I go fight you.
Please, I'm begging. Cassie, don't do this.
And I go feel wound you.
No, Cassie, please.
I don't tell your man your plan. I go feel wound you.
Cassie, I'm in love with you. Cassie, don't do. Cassie, listen to me. Cassie.
My prince. Lolo. We have agreed that girl has to leave this land. Now.
If Cassie leaving this land will restore peace, so be it. Let her leave immediately.
Mother, what do we do now? I mean, we have to be very, very careful. I don't want us to accuse the wrong person, because I still believe she doesn't have a hand in this.
My prince, she has a hand. She has a hand. And she must be banished. She must leave now. If not, worse things will happen. Oh.
Listen, my prince. All we want you to do is to consult your father. Tell him all we have agreed on.
Yes, now.
My son, I think they are right. Cassie and her mother must leave today. The guards must go there and bring both of them for banishment.
Mother, please, let's be careful. Please, let's not do the wrong thing. We have to be sure.
Wait. Do you want your father to die? You have to act now. You have to act now. You are the next person to issue the order. Yes.
Ichie.
Oh my God.
Ichie, you're very funny. Ichie, it's okay now. It's okay.
I told you guys
that only a shameless man can be fighting over a woman that's yet to be his wife.
Ichie, you're very correct. You're very correct. Ichie, you know, I have spent a whole lot of Malaysian ringgit on that girl. Yet, no result. Look at the way I was fooling myself because of that she-goat.
Brother, even me too. I was so obsessed with her. I swear.
See, listen. God has a way he plans things. You guys shouldn't worry at all. You really don't know. Suppose one of you married her and she ends up cheating on you.
God forbid. I can't take it.
No.
It'll happen.
I have good news for you guys.
Ichie, good news again.
Yes.
After you must have cracked our ribs all this while, what's good news again? At least you have given us this drink. We are very happy. We are celebrating. Ichie, what else do you want to tell us?
I have packaged 2 beautiful wives for you guys.
My one and only brother with this one.
Malay!
The only Malaysian ringgit.
Malaysian ringgit. We are not two.
I'm telling for you, Sha. I know last something was someone.
Of course.
Uncle.
Ebere, you just came here and you're going again. Ichie, I don't understand you.
I say you guys should relax. Just calm down. You will see for yourself. My sons, this is Sonia and Sophia.
You guys are welcome.
Good evening,
You are
sir.
very pretty girls.
You guys are very pretty.
You're enjoying bad guy. Where did you see these beautiful girls from?
How are you doing, girls?
Are you serious?
I trust you.
A prayer sent for the 2 of us. I hope all is well, sir.
No, there's no problem at all. Ebere, take your friends into the room. I'll send for them soon.
Babes.
Oh my God.
Today is good.
Oh my God.
Today is good, I'm telling you.
Are they robots?
See, okay, listen, 2 of you, tell me. What do you think about it?
I see that when I was standing here. I like her.
Oh boy, don't start again. No, try him again. Didn't you hear when my sister was telling me? And I gave her hand. Don't try it.
No fight again now, my brother.
Just relax. Cool down.
Now, so you know this case, and you allowed me to spend my initial ringgit on that.
Why didn't you tell him it was the pot that you came to give him? They allow me talk. They push me, come here. Push me, come out. This pot, I go break them. No, we have to give it to them. Let's embrace peace. Because also get mind. Tell me, say, come here. Tell you come out. I go break this pot.
Good afternoon.
I am now. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. Cassie, we have someone at the palace, you and your mother.
Take this to Igwe.
No. Igwe doesn't need to eat that up. Your daughter here brought it to the palace, but the king rejected it. So let's go.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Calm down, Mama. No worry. No worry. I dey come. Wait for me. Hold on. I dey come. Wait for me. No go anywhere. This your tiro. No cleaner. I dey come. Leave your Angela there. I dey come.
Son, you must pronounce the judgment immediately.
Father, she might be innocent.
No, she's not. Even as I lay on this bed, I give you power to hire and to fire, to kill and to save. You must not stop this girl from banishment, as you will attract the curse of the gods on us all, and I might not survive this.
Father, don't say that, please. You will survive it, I promise you. Please.
Do it, son. Whatever feelings you have for me here, come wait. Save this kingdom. Save my life. God, do it. Be a man, my son. Do it. Save my life. Save this kingdom. This is a matter of life and death. Love can come later.
Here they are. It is time for us to be free of this calamity.
This is beyond my control. You have been a good friend to me. But there comes a time in a man's life where he has to choose between good and evil.
Also, now me and my mama, now I be evil.
Oh, my priest, go straight to the point. This is not the time to speak grammar. Tell her what she wants to hear, what we have decided. Your father is inside dying. Tell her.
Here, have this. You and your mother both of you are hereby banished from this land.
Wow.
What?
Till further notice.
My prince, what have we done?
You can go, just go.
What have we?
What did we do? I asked now, what did we do?
You are asking.
Prince Otto, we are evil. We are banished.
We go go. We go go. But we don't need your money. See, it's what now useless children. I can't get cheap part of life. I find out, carry part of life, can't give up.
This one not follow me talk. He say make I dey go. He stand there with his skirt. He say make I dey go. You no collect am from my hand. Then another one I make una say we don dey banished. No worry. I will go break the pot.
Break what?
Yes, sir. Not me my trouble. No problem. We gonna go. I gonna tear you. With your baggy trousers and your shoe. I gonna tear you. Oh, you see your baby go make me fear. No be so like the king. 90% I won't go sell am. I carry a cup. You know allow me talk. You know they shout. Say you know what eat. You see I dey look your face. You see I dey look your shoe. I dey look you. I dey go break am. What?
Cassie!
The pot of life is with her. She found it where Ekene, Udoka and Nnamdi wanted to sell it. And she took it from them. She brought it here but to send her away.
But my prince, please send your guards after her.
Yes.
Please send them after her. You go.
She's never giving loyalty. Is all loyalty. Is all. Can't you see? Is right. Can't you see? Is right.
Stop, okay? I didn't know. Stop. Let me talk to you. Cassie, stop, okay? Cassie, no, please. No, please, I beg of you. Please don't do this, okay? Please, listen to me.
My head was clouded. I couldn't think straight. Cassie, I didn't know it was a pot you came to show me. Honestly, I thought it was Okpa. I renounce every pronouncement I made against you and your mother. Please, let's go back to the palace and solve things once and for all. Please, I beg of you. I'm sorry.
Loyalty is calling. Yeah. Can't you see? Is right. If you wanna want
Thank you so much for coming. I thought you would have stayed longer with me.
No. I'm leaving the village today, so I have to marry my things.
You're leaving the village?
Yes.
To where? Why? Usta, no, not now. Not now that I need you the most, please.
See, my family have agreed that I should leave the village. So what am I doing? What am I still doing? I have to go and hustle for money. You said I'm not financially okay.
Okay. You know I told you I was not feeling fine. Yeah. I was thinking you would ask me how I'm doing. Besides, I was planning to go to lab today or tomorrow, so I'll know what's actually wrong with me.
And so, what do you want me to do? See, you already said I'm not financially okay. So you better go and meet those guys. They have the money, they can take care of you.
Osta, please stop. Okay? Just stop. Look, from the way I'm feeling, I think I'm pregnant. And you know if I'm pregnant, it's yours. It's just me and you.
And so, what do you want me to do? See, you better go. You said I'm not financially okay. You better go and meet those guys. Let them take care of you.
Osta, are you okay? Are you crazy? Are you mad? How can you say that to me? How can you say that to me?
You dey crazy? See this mugo. I forced you. Did I force you? See, better look for a way to sort yourself out. See, let me just warn you. Let me warn you for the last time. Don't call me. Better look for a way to sort yourself out.
Osta, wait. Is it me you're talking to?
I'm done. Nonsense.
Osta, no, you can't do this to me. No, not now. Not now. After how you've caused me, you can't do this to me, Osta.
Yakio ipo mokuala miliana tuta amuru yakawo wenye. She's never giving loyalty is calling. Loyalty is calling. Can't you?
What have I done to deserve this? Hey,
What can CJ? Hi. Hey. What have I done? Hi. Lolo, please. Biko no, please.
Ichendoka, don't beg me. Don't beg me. If they like, let them run to the land of the dead. I will personally locate them. Thank the God that Ekene has gotten what he deserved. Look at the boy we brought him in as our own son. We took him in as our son. Look at the way he betrayed us. Anyway, I am waiting for them here.
No, it's impossible. We are not living here without you. It's the order from the queen.
Are you people forcing me?
Yes, sir. You have to come with us.
What is wrong with the queen? Why would she want to drag my husband who just lost his only son?
Sir, it's your son that stole the pot of life from the palace, and you have to come with us right now.
If I lie, that's not true.
Why can't you follow us to the palace and hear what happened? Ichenduka and Ichioka for a day. Their sons are part of it.
What did you say? My son?
Yes.
Huh?
Hey! Oh no. Oh no. Hey!
Let's go.
My own son.
Let's go.
How?
Don't waste the time of the queen. Move it. Oh no, be fast. Move it. Let's go.
No.
Let's go. Let's go. Fast.
Just go. No, it can't be true. Just go first. Manage and go. Go and find out.
Oh no, we are expecting you.
The pot of life.
Hey. That's what I'm saying. I don't think it's true.
Ekene cannot do something.
I don't think it's true.
Mama, don't worry. Ekene cannot do a thing like that.
That's what I'm saying. I don't think they're saying the truth.
Because of our land. Spare my life.
Father. Here it is. Here it is.
What's happening?
Where did you get this from?
Cassie. What? Cassie has saved you. Cassie has saved the kingdom. She has saved us all.
That girl. What has she got to do with this?
Could you believe that Ekene, whom we trusted so much, connived with Unandi and Udoka, sons of Mazi Okafor and Undoka, to sell the pot of life?
What? I knew it. I knew it. The way that Ekene used to sneak in and out of your room, the Igwe's room, was just going everywhere.
Where is that cashier? I need to see her.
Let me call her right away.
No. I want to see her myself. I'm well now.
I don't like when people become virus.
Mama,
Shift this way, still shift.
Mama, see here.
Still shift. Hey, Mary!
This is her sister now.
Arrange yourself very well there.
So I'm manless.
Manless?
I'm manless. No,
you're not manless.
After this is her.
Ebere.
And my daughter say, wow.
I have a friend from Malaysia. That's Malaysia.
Malaysia. America call her about Malaysia. She's going to America.
Yes, you. I know you want to be
my husband, he's going to come from. No, sister, sister. No, my daughter will be sister.
Hello.
Why? No.
I have something to say.
You push hold on. Please,
I'm listening.
Talk. So I'm not talking. So talk something.
The only thing that Iche has to say is that, in fact, we are the ones to thank him. This very man here for what he has done for us.
Slim! Did you see the reason why I was looking at him with one eye? I know what he's capable of doing. Manika!
Iche! And with the help of my sister now.
Iche, I will give you ring guest.
Iche! Excuse me. Am I excused?
Yes.
Why excused?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Mama, go ahead.
Manika!
Mama, me too.
There are meats in the house. Calm down.
Manika! You were shouting at me the other time when I said I was looking at his shit with one eye like this. Oh! So you have seen it now?
On the wedding day, though she stole, but don't.
No, I want to remember our fighting.
Mama, that one has passed now.
If not, I will get your thing like this.
They will ask this question.
Yeah. I got the question.
Slim, aka Malaysian ring
I
guest.
got the question.
Do you want this woman here to be your lovely wife?
And I know the answer,
And the answer
already.
will be what?
I know
Yes.
the answer already. He will say, please, will you take this lovely dancer to be your wife? And the answer will be yes. And the next thing is, you may kiss
You may not kiss the bride. And then she will come to me and
Go away.
Go to which place? Go to where?
I have disowned you.
You have disowned her.
Let her go and find the man that made her pregnant.
Hey.
And start living with her. Yeah, I don't know. You cannot carry pregnancy without a husband in my house.
How can you ask our only child to leave this house? How can you tell her to leave this house?
I said I have
to which
disowned her.
place? You have disowned her. Papa, this is not fair. It's not fair at all. When all those men were bringing money, you're the one that balanced and was squandering the money. Now you want me to leave the house. Where will I go to? I'm not going anywhere.
Shame on you.
She's not going anywhere. She's not going anywhere.
Let her go and look for the man that I have said it again, repeatedly. Go and look for the man that maybe you cannot carry pregnancy in this house without a husband. Go away.
Now listen. If she leaves this house, I am living with her. You can't disown our only child. But it's not possible. You cannot just disown her.
You will live with her.
I will live with her.
What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
We are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere. We are not living anywhere. We are not living anywhere. Did you eat that? I didn't touch him. Papa, I didn't do anything. What is it? Oh no, Chibi. Papa, what happened?
Don't allow me to die.
You will not die. You will not die. You will not die. Somebody piano. Papa, why?
Don't allow me to die.
You will not die. You will not die. How can you die? You cannot die. You cannot die. Oh no. What is it? Hey,
don't kill me.
Hey! Nobody will kill you. Nobody will kill you. What happened? Oh no. What? What is wrong?
I'm strong.
Yes, Papa, you're strong. Wait, let me go and call the video.
Hey!
Papa!
I killed him.
Hey! You killed him? What happened?
I killed him.
You killed him! Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I killed Adam. I caused Adam to kill him.
No. Hey! You're a killer. Hey! You're a killer. You're a killer. Hey!
Don't allow me.
Leave me alone. Hey! You're a killer. Papa, hey! Don't allow me to die. Papa, no, you will not die. No! What? Oh no! Ah! No! Oh no! 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 Papa! 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 Who are witnesses in this one? Mama! Hey! Somebody help me! Somebody help! Mama! Hey! Wake up! Wake up! Somebody help me! Mama! Papa, you cannot die! You cannot die, Papa! No! Papa! You cannot die now! Just like that! Just like that! No!
It shall be well with you, my children. I give you my royal blessing.
Yes, sir.
You will live together in good health.
Yes, sir.
And have fruits of the womb.
Yes, sir.
It shall be well with you.
She's never giving royalty. It's called loyalty. It's called. Can't you see? It's right. Can't you see? It's right. We don't want any job, but we keep it low. We don't want any job, but we keep it low. Because we don't want any job, but we keep it low. She's never